Welcome to Eclipse Gola, a professional plugin for designing handleless kitchen cabinets in SketchUp. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire workflow, from an empty room to a complete production-ready kitchen with cut lists, cost estimates, and CNC-ready output. Gola is a modern handleless cabinet system that has become the standard for contemporary European kitchens. Instead of traditional handles or knobs, a recessed aluminum profile runs along the front edges of the cabinets, giving you a clean, minimalist look while still providing comfortable finger access to open every door and drawer. What sets Eclipse Gola apart from other cabinet plugins is that it models the Gola channel exactly the way it's manufactured, with proper notches cut into the carcass side panels, the visible aluminum profile rendered in silver, and corner cabinets featuring single-piece mitered profiles. Everything you design here translates directly into accurate CNC output. Let's start building. I'll begin with a base L corner cabinet to anchor the layout. Notice how the Gola profile turns the corner as a single continuous piece with a clean miter joint at the inside angle. Now let me show you something powerful, the Edit feature. Right-click on any cabinet, choose Edit Cabinet, and you can change every parameter in place. Width, depth, height, door style, anything. When you change a dimension, Eclipse Gola asks which edge should stay fixed. You can keep the left edge anchored and expand to the right, keep the right edge anchored, or expand from the center. Same logic applies to depth. Fix the back, fix the front, or expand from the middle. This matters because in a real kitchen, moving one cabinet usually means realigning everything around it. With the fixed edge system, your cabinet rebuilds in place, preserving its position in the model and any rotation you've applied. You can iterate on dimensions as much as you need without rebuilding your entire layout. I'll continue placing the rest of the base run now, adding standard two-door cabinets, drawer banks, and a sink base. Each one gets its Gola profile automatically. The 6mm aluminum profiles are rendered in silver so you can show clients photorealistic results, and they're tracked separately in the cost estimation by total length. Now, for the wall cabinets, again, I'll start with the L corner so the layout aligns properly. Wall cabinets in the Gola system work differently from base cabinets. Instead of cutting notches into the side panels, the bottom deck is recessed by 27mm. This creates the grip space along the bottom edge without needing additional profile geometry on the sides. Much cleaner for wall-mounted units. The recess depth is configurable from the settings menu to match your hardware. The corner cabinet handles this recess automatically. The bottom plate is recessed along both arms of the L shape, while the top plate remains full depth for structural support. I'll continue with regular wall cabinets along both walls. You can choose between two-door, single-door, lift-up, and bifold configurations. Each one matches the door style I selected, Slab in this case, and Eclipse Gola supports 4 styles total: Slab, Shaker, Raised Panel, and Greensboro. For the corners, you have both L-shaped and 45-degree diagonal options. The diagonal cabinet generates a single-piece angled profile that runs along the diagonal face, matching the door perfectly. The wall cabinets sit at a configurable height above the base run, leaving the standard backsplash gap. As I place them, you'll see how the design starts coming together, that signature handleless look with continuous horizontal Gola lines flowing across the entire kitchen. Now, for tall cabinets, Eclipse Gola gives you 11 different tall types: pantries, utility cabinets, oven housings, microwave oven combinations, open shelving, mudroom cabinets, and fridge surrounds. I'll add a tall pantry first. The kitchen is complete. Now let's look at the production output. Here's the cut list. Every panel, every drawer part, organized by material category. The cost estimation pulls everything together. Material costs by square meter, hardware, drawer slides, hinges, Gola profile by linear meter, and labor. All prices are user configurable. Your numbers, your margins. The Gola channel dimensions are also fully configurable. L profile, C profile, and wall recess. Match any hardware system you use. Finally, the nesting optimizer. Eclipse Gola arranges all your panels onto sheet stock with the kerf and margins you specify. Every Gola notch, every toe kick cutout, every panel outline is preserved in the layout. What you see here is exactly what your CNC machine will cut. Export to DXF and the entire layout transfers cleanly, ready for production. Eclipse Gola is available now in the SketchUp extension warehouse with a 14-day free trial. Thanks for watching.